Heidi ho, this is something really different for you. Where's this coin from? Any ideas before I tell you? Right, this is 10 penny, 1916, and it's the crowned monogram of Nicola, and it was released the year before Finland became independent from Russia, 1916. Now, if this was graded and in top condition, you're looking at about $80. But this isn't graded. It's a bit damaged here and there. You can buy these on eBay or Etsy for, you know, €5 or €6. So I'm going to make a ring out of it. Look at that, 1916. So go on, you Finns. How about a decent? This is made of copper as well. So it's quite a big coin. So I'm going to use quite a big punch. I'm going to use a 1/2 inch punch. I think this is the oldest coin I've done so far, 1916. This is when Finland was still part of Russia. Good old Finland, and I love Finland. I couldn't live anywhere else. And it's still the happiest country in the world again. Everybody's laid back, you know, you've got so much space. I mean, it's twice the size of the UK, and there's only like 5.5 million people live there. And the summers are great. I lived in Cornwall in England. And yeah, okay, beautiful. But the weather was always, you know, in the summer, if you got a couple of weeks sun, I mean, I miss having a fishing boat and stuff like that, but you know, things change in your life. I'd never go back. I'll go and see my friends once a year, but it's nice to come home. There you go, beautiful. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool, and you just want to clean up them edges. Okie dokie. That's looking rather nice. Yeah, I'm sure this is the oldest coin I've done. Shame it's not perfect, I'd have sold it, but I got this, believe it or not, in them bags of coins I buy from the second-hand shop. I think, oh, will fit in there perfectly. Right, let's show it some love with Bernie. Warm it up a bit. I think I'll polish this one because it's copper. Right, what we got? So this is going to be sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down. This is a 17-degree folding die. I was doing another coin yesterday, and it split. Where'd I put it? Right, that's good. That didn't split. That's what I was doing yesterday. That was going to be a video. It split. It was a St. Petersburg Metro transit token. Used this to get on the metro, but it didn't like it. It said no. Just want to clean up that edge a bit. Make sure there's no cracks for me. Right, just zoomed in a little bit. There you go, looking rather good. I shouldn't have to heat this up too many times because it's copper. This is Spike, my ring stretcher. So if there's any Finns watching and you're looking for a totally original ring, please don't split on me. See, it's still got a bow in it. You want to get that out. I might show it a bit more love in a minute, I don't know. Still got a bit of a bow in it. I think maybe a touch more. Let's warm it up a bit more. I don't want to lose this one. I don't want to push my luck, because I think this is going to be quite sexy. Right, let's give it another couple of pumps, just in case. I like to be, it might take a couple of minutes longer, but hey, who's in a rush? Is anybody in a rush here? I'm not. I do custom work, custom orders. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. It's in the description below. And if you're new to the channel, there's a little button there, little red button, bottom right hand side of your video. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And I'll be your bestest forever and ever. I really will. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of the spike. Now, we want to see the bows out of it, but now it's slightly cone shaped. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself here. There's a small lip on the inside. You want to cut that out, otherwise it's comfortable to wear. There's not much of a lip, hardly any, but there is, so let's take that out. Okie dokie. Looking rather good. Say that, that's gone now. So now we go to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dies on this plate. You're just looking for one. I'll tell you what, we'll change that to my posh one, slightly larger. I don't think there's anything there. There might be. Make sure it's square. And give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1-2. There was a bit there. There you go. Walls are nice and straight. I don't just do rings now. I do earrings, toe rings, cufflinks, bracelets, all sorts of stuff. All the rings, I can adjust the size for you up or down if there's a ring in the shop you quite like. Right, let's break out the one and only special edition Kate Bush. This is the same as quad zero steel on the end of this practically. Doesn't scratch, gets the fire scale off, makes it look gorgeous. Yeah, I'll polish this one. But if you don't like them polished, I'll just go over it again with Kate and you get the Edwin look. Behave yourself, come on. Right, there you go. Right, let's take Kate Bush and we'll put in Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. So I couldn't get the usual polish I use, so I got this. I used to use this on my motorcycle. It's Auto Sol. Good for chrome. I think it's good for all metals really, so let's give it a go, see if it works. Yeah, I had a look, they didn't have any, so I thought, well, let's try this one. Oh yeah, it even smells the same. I think it's going to come out quite nice. Now let's do the inside. Right, that's getting rather hot to handle. Oh, baby. Clean off the mingers. Right, let's see what we got. Well, I'd like to polish these by hand, but I can't do it. My left wrist is bad from a motorcycle accident, and it's got wire in it and screws and God knows what. Aches all the time. I'm not complaining. It's part of owning a motorcycle, I guess, you know. I drove off a cliff. When I lived in Lewis in Cornwall, I drove off a cliff, and everybody used to call me Evel Knievel. That was on my 404 Honda Super Sport, yellow. Worth a bloody fortune now, they are. Right, let's get my other cloth. My girlfriend will, she'll polish these up even more. Because my fingers are covered in oil and polish and God knows what else. Wow. Look at that. So if there's any of my Finnish friends out there looking for a nice, this is copper. I will coat this. I will seal it. I won't seal it though until I sell it, because if I have to adjust the size for you, then it ruins it and I have to do it all again. But I will seal this, but it doesn't last forever. So if you do start getting a bit of a green finger or something, you can always go over it with a bit of clear nail varnish. But there you go, 1916. Crown monogram of Nikolai. What size we got? Where's my, can't find my, go to the old US of A magic wand, and this is a size 12 and 3/4, but I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. You always measure from the reeded side. This isn't reeded, it's milled, but you get the idea. It fits his finger perfectly. Does it fit? Oh yeah. Quite nice, eh? But it fits his finger perfectly as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Hope everybody's staying safe out there, and tell me bye-bye. Catch you on the next one.